Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by deciding you want Titanium White Fennec and immediately confirm availability. Once done, check current prices in credits and list comparable offers so you know what to pay. Make sure your account is trade-ready, enable two-factor authentication, clear any temporary trade restrictions, and assemble the credits or items you will trade. Do these first. They prevent delays and scams, and they let you move quickly when a genuine offer appears on in-game trade channels or trading hubs. You now find a seller and begin negotiation. State your offer in credits or item values and ask for clear screenshots showing the titanium white decal applied. Once terms are set, decide whether to use a trusted middleman for larger trades or to perform the exchange in the in-game trade window. If trading in-game, confirm both sides list items and credits before accepting. Keep communication calm and concise. Verify match ID and usernames to avoid impersonators, and make sure all items are legit before finalizing. You finish by inspecting the Fennec right after the exchange. Apply it to your garage car to confirm the titanium white paint and check for any unexpected decals or attributes. If something went wrong, item missing, wrong paint, or scam, stop and preserve evidence, screenshots, chat logs, and usernames. Then report to platform support or the trading hub moderators and use their dispute or refund process. If needed, escalate with screenshots. Do not retrade with the same user until the issue is fully resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.